Please remember to click the link in the description for a free 30-day trial. This video will showcase the intelligent AI Translate feature of Microsoft PowerApps. I have previously created a PowerApps workflow that sends an AI-generated purchase order summary email to an internal manager. I will now use another AI Builder action to translate this text into other languages. I will begin by adding the Translate text into another language action to the flow. I will select the text that is generated by my GPT prompt action as the desired text to translate. I can then easily choose which language I would like it to be translated to. In this case, I will select French. Now I can add the translated text to the body of my email. I will now specify who to send the email to and save the PowerApps flow. I will process a purchase order to the PowerApps flow by printing to the FabSoft DeskConnect printer driver. Note that DeskConnect serves as the catalyst for this entire process. After the document is finished processing, we can see that the email now contains a translated version of the original message. The practical benefits of this feature are clearly extensive, and other languages can always be selected based on need. I will now add a Spanish translation under the French text in my email. Since the steps are the exact same, it is very easy to add multiple different translations in the same flow, giving users great flexibility in their workflow design. When I save the text, the flow will update, and I can continue to efficiently process documents by printing to FabSoft DeskConnect. As you can see, the AI Builder features of Microsoft PowerApps have valuable practical uses and can be used to efficiently elevate your workflows, opening up new possibilities for easy multilingual communications. Furthermore, when combined with FabSoft DeskConnect, the ability to process documents in custom and efficient ways is unparalleled. If you would like to see how our product can enhance your documents, please click the links below to try it for free or schedule a demo.